Hey guys, I'm really excited. We sold the sofa, but more importantly, we sold the sofa to somebody here, right here in Arlington, Massachusetts. So the sofa being born 90 years ago, and then being reborn, so to speak, with us. And then maybe another 90 years still in Arlington. I'm really excited. We did offer free, so I'm sorry for everybody that was maybe wanting this and didn't bid on it, but we were offering free delivery anywhere in New England, and I'm kind of happy about mileage too. It's right here in town. I'm really excited. So let's get going and delivering it. For sale sign off first, because it's sold. And then what we're going to do is package up the cushions first. Okay, give it another final cleaning, you guys. Make sure we're not going to present this with any foreign object in here. Okay, cover this baby up.